I am going to tamper with the school fire alarms because fire alarms scare me to death. I'll do this at 20 am. Not even the security cameras watching. I will put down the CD inside the fire alarms. I will do this for you. Monkey Gal Jr., please report to my office immediately. Why are you here? Because I want to talk to you. Please, there was security cameras of you stealing cafeteria food, tampering with the school fire alarms, etc. That's it. I'm going to show you the footage. Look what you did. That's it. You are expelled from Encino Elementary School. Here's your expulsion paper. It's for your parents. Please, how do you got expelled from Encino Elementary School? That's it. We're calling the police because you tampered the school fire alarms and stole cafeteria food at 1 am. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. Nope, too late for apologies. We're still calling the police. Court is now on session. A 10-year-old boy named Monkey Gal tampered with the school fire alarms and stole some cafeteria food at 1 am. Please, what can you plead yourselves to this crime? I'm not guilty. Oh yes, he's guilty. He must be arrested right now. Please, I'm afraid that you're sent to jail. Court is dismissed. You are staying in jail for 24 hours.